Greetings from the Boone Fork Trail. I'm actually in the Price Campground. I just walked in on the Boone Fork Trail, which is out near Boone, North Carolina, maybe in Watauga County, possibly in Burke County. And I wanted to introduce striped maple. This is a mountain species, one not found in the Piedmont. And the scientific name is Acer pensylvanicum. Now, striped maple is called so because you can see that the stems have these vertical stripes. They're kind of greenish. If I can lean the camera in so you can see that the stripedness. So that's striped maple. It's also called goosefoot maple, also called moosewood up in the Northeast, where it's a little bit more common. And so goosefoot maple comes from these wonderful leaves, which I hope you can see are definitely maple leaves, right? It has opposite leaf arrangement like all maples. And if you notice the leaves in pairs, they have three distinct lobes, right? So these are not five-lobed striped maples. And you'll notice that if you look at each lobe, it's got this long acuminate tip, right? So this is sort of goosefoot. This is where goosefoot maple comes from, the common name. And these species are in flower right now. So I got a little sample to show you the flowers. So they're these really cool little flowers that are in chains, right? So they will produce a samara kind of fruit, but I think these are really, really neat little green flowers. Definitely more, I haven't seen any insects pollinating these guys, but they're definitely showier flowers than our normal wind pollinated maple flowers like red maple or southern sugar maple. So this is goosefoot maple, also called moosewood, also called striped maple, Acer pensylvanicum. Now the pensylvanicum only has one N, so that's a little bit extra tricky. And this is an understory species. I'm in an acidic cove forest where this is a pretty common species. I don't see this, I don't see striped maple too much below like 2,500 feet. And then it ranges up to pretty high elevations, I would say on the order of possibly 5,000 feet. But, you know, this is a small tree. It does not get into the canopy. It has these really cool tri-lobed leaves with long acuminate tips, right, which are drip tips that allow the water to drip off. We're kind of in a rainy part of the world. And we're here in an acidic cove forest here on the Boone Fork Trail in Watauga County. And this is NC State Dendrology. Thanks for tuning in.